Last year, we saw global inflation reaching one of their historic highs, which was caused because of both supply and demand issues. On the supply side, we saw the Russia Ukraine war causing supply side issues, as well as increasing energy prices across the globe. And to further that, countries like China, which are following zero COVID policy measures, also led to supply side issues across the globe. On the demand side, we saw global policy makers issue large outsized handouts to consumers, which led to a demand push across the globe. However, the good news is that long term inflation expectations have remained well anchored, and all the factors which have led to the upswing in inflation are now easing. Like supply side constraints are easing, your commodity prices are now almost back to the pre COVID levels, including food prices. And what we are seeing is that labor market tightness is expected to ease going ahead. Further, as we have discussed in our growth outlook, we expect the growth to slow down, which will also keep demand in check. With these factors, keeping these factors in mind, we expect US inflation to now drop to about 3% by mid 2023 versus the current run rate of around 7% at which it is running at. Coming to India's inflation, our average inflation for 2022 is expected to be at 6.5%, which is higher than the RBI's target band of 4 to 6%. But if we compare this to developed markets, our deviation from the target band is not significant, as has been the experience across all emerging markets. Now, if we look at the unwind in commodity prices, the base effects of last year, and decelerating WPI to low single digits for us, we expect that our CPI headline inflation will average around 5.2 to 5.5% this year, and our core inflation, which is running about 6% right now, to average at around 5.7%. The risks to this forecast are higher international energy prices and food prices domestically.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार के जोखिमों के अधीन है। स्कीम संबंधी सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें।